Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the spicy noodle challenge, and we already made our noodles. Now we're just gonna add our sauce. So there's 2 sauce and we have to add into it. And today I'm doing it with my little brother, so he's gonna try with me. But the rules are, whoever drinks water for, this is the 2 times spicy noodle. So I've always wanted to try this. I already tried the first one, but it didn't go so well, so I want to try the second one. So God help us. All right, so we're gonna have the we're gonna have the spice in it. I'm gonna dump it, and we're gonna try this. So whoever drinks first loses the game, and whoever finishes the food without drinking wins the game. After mixed up. Oh, that's really good. Okay, as Africans, we're used to spice, so
nobody might lose.
I beg to differ, but you know, I don't know what I'm about to say, but you know, we love our spice, but this looks really spicy.
Looks spicy, but it's spicy.
It is spicy, trust me.
It's so spicy.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's start.
Oh. Lemon first.
Oh. Bless his food. Oh, that's for Chris. Amen. Oh, really? Jokes.
Okay, just get that thing. Oh my god, Uncle, how are you used to spice?
It is spicy. Oh my god.
Okay,
I think I got some in my eye.
look at Uncle Larry.
I'm sorry, I can't finish this. Oh.
Let me try it.
Tag, come on. Tag, tag. Eat. I had to tag my little nephew.
Hi.
You can do this, Jonathan. Oh, he's about to win you, Jonathan.
Boom.
Alright, go on, you just saw he's spicy, right? Take it. Okay.
Any water.
As you can see, oh my god. Whew. This is, I'm not even exaggerating, but the amount of heat on this thing, I don't know if it's a sesame seed or as you can see, I can't speak. Oh man, if you're an African,
Nope.
I don't know how much spice you can take, but this is spicy. I can't. Oh, I don't know if. Ew. I don't know if water is up in this.
We need something cold.
Okay.
Oh.
I think it's calming down a little bit.
Wow, that's spicy.
It's like it calms down and kicks in.
Oh my god.
It's actually really delicious. I'm just gonna stay calm because the more I move,
I can fight this.
Let's have some.
okay. Well, as you can see, that's it for the spicy noodle challenge.
Winner.
We thought we were gonna beat this, but
I know I'm gonna win all the way.
I thought I like spicy food.
I know
Well,
I'm gonna win all the way.
apparently you won, but still spicy for it. So. Anyway,
I didn't stop.
whoever's gonna try this, if you love your spice, I mean, if you love spice, like from like, I think talking makes it much worse. I think I'm just gonna shut up right now. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll be sure to give you some content. So thank you for watching.
I think it's better now.
Love you guys. Bye.
I think it's better now.
Okay, calm down. Nigga.